Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Hut 8 has provided an update on its business combination. Bit Digital has posted a quarterly update, and Mawson has shared its results for the month of May. But just before we get into the show, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so starting off with Hut 8 Mining Corp., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol HUT. Hut 8 has posted an update regarding its proposed business combination with US Data Mining Group, doing business as US Bitcoin Corp., or US BTC for short there. According to the press release, the combined company will be called Hut 8 Corp., or New Hut. It'll be a US domiciled entity and will establish New Hut as a large-scale, publicly traded Bitcoin miner focused on economical mining, highly diversified revenue streams, and industry-leading environmental, social, and governance practices. Jamie Leverton, the CEO of Hut 8, said, quote, "We are making measurable progress on key files that will positively position New Hut to be very competitive in the market with 7.5 exahash per second of self-mining capacity. We continue to be laser-focused on completing the merger in an expedient manner to form a stronger business backed by both Bitcoin and fiat revenues generated from robust North American-wide operations." End quote. Next up for today, Bit Digital Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker BTBT, has announced its unaudited financial results for the first quarter ended March 31st. Highlights include a total revenue of $8.3 million, the earning of 362 Bitcoin, and total assets of $92.2 million as of March 31st. An excerpt from the management commentary section of the press release reads, quote, "As we progress in 2023, we remain committed to preserving our balance sheet while adopting a more opportunistic approach to capitalize on compelling value propositions in the market. Moving forward, we will continue to focus on what we can control and setting the stage for a long-term value creation for all Bit Digital stakeholders." End quote. Lastly, for today, Mawson Infrastructure Group, Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker MIGI, has posted its unaudited business and operational update for the month of May this year. Highlights there include the installation of 13,750 self-mining miners, total revenue equivalent in Bitcoin of 126.57 Bitcoins, and the production of 67.49 Bitcoin. Rahul Mewawala, hope I said that right, that's the company's CEO and president, said, quote, "We are delighted to share our business update. May was an exciting month for Mawson as we significantly grew our installed miners, our Bitcoin mining, and delivered a diversified revenue mix of self-mining, hosting, and energy market program revenue. I want to thank our entire organization at Mawson as we keep striding ahead." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol APCX.